Okay, Herbalize to take their first round. Pick up the supersonic points in a minute. Spider. I said the subject of tonight is loyalty over royalty. I'm gonna lock off if my artist, Ziggy Ricardo or Tarantula, give you a tune. No blood, this is, you know, loyalty over royalty. The fucking artist give me a tune against you. Boy, go shit in your pants, blood clot. Listen, people. Spider always chats a lot. And you know, sometimes the German guy makes fun about the Austrian guys. We don't like that. What do you know? I just called Arnold Schwarzenegger. Let me say this.
Hello, this is Tarantula with the voice of Arnold. Hey, Spider. When you're talking to someone from Austria and you're a German, the worst thing you can do is talk to them like an Austrian. Don't try that shit, pussy-hole. That's why you're gonna die tonight in Vienna. Herbalize it in a kill supersonic.
Already. I prayed before I came in. But right about now, I want to see all the God people. 100 in the air. Everybody. 100 in the air if you believe in God. Play the one.
Yeah, we don't know Herbalize sound, but it's one that sounds like a vision and deep one. Thank you, information.
People see it's a real God people. They want to see all the God people in a minute. Everybody.
Lord, we stand the face and all of it. Make it a long light road. Carry my heavy load. In Herbalize, it's straight on that.
We want to see the real God people. All who say good over evil, two ones in the air. All who say good over evil, two ones in the air.
Them say we're gonna go them running walk. Well, I know somebody I'm going with boss. Herbalize, it's on that
people, you gonna help me out chase all these fucking curly guys out of here. Everybody point for supersonic. Let's chase them out of here now. Everybody chase them out.
Herbalize sound. Round the road to town. Herbalize a burn a fire by the winter. And the free time to get it down. And do they try to use it?
From my reach Vienna, I see Blender, Spider, and this little news in one room. The whole day they're in one room. You know why they're in one room? They facing Herbalize.
Worries and pride. Herbalize it a murder sound right tonight. No matter how some stone I'm gonna bite. We said they must see the light.
All who said victory, give me some victory. 100 in here. Everybody turn it up. Funny winner.
Give me some more. You don't go nowhere. No.
Even on my 15th birthday.
You're there for the golden side. If they want to know what they find with.
People with their on a mission tonight. With their on a mission. Tell them, Sizzler, tell them. Yo! That one your neon sound die. We don't care. Even who's part nobody fucking self. Big up Panzer Brother there. Panzer Brother's in the dance tonight. Big up yourself. I don't understand why Panzer left his song alone. Panzer's in Berlin somewhere. I don't know, place some 45 somewhere. And he left them three. Look at him. Yeah, for real. Can someone tell Panzer this? Can someone send Panzer a message? Tell Pussy on Panzer this.
Anywhere you go, we gonna kill your son.
This is true, them. Look for them. Left up on them left. And I'm searching for truth. They're confused, they don't know what to do. Play that tune for me, please. Look for them.
Herbalize it, kill the sound boy. Herbalize it, kill the sound boy. Oh yeah.
Listen.
Believe me. Herbalize it, kill another sound again. Yesterday in the pouring rain.
Alright, they've been coaching their own.
Supersonic, you never bust an artist. Make me bust a new one called Eva Mar.
Yeah.
This is a new news, Eva Mar.
This is Cybermar, boy. Oh, yeah. I'm treading from a farm, boy. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Herbalize the push artist.
I said, I herbalize sound is the sound where you lick it away.
Spider, you heathen boy. Spider, you heathen boy.
Herbalize the sound.
Herbalize it, boy.
Herbalize it.
Heathen boy.
Babylonian, not going must come. Herbalize it, chat and them down. There is nowhere to hide. Nowhere to run. Herbalize it.
A few days ago, copyright called me. He said, Sultan, you got a fresh blood for Spider. That fucking pussy old Spider, he owe me fucking money. And he, no, this is serious. This is a serious story. Listen to that tune. Special.
Yo, Herbalize it, how I am murder super socket. I don't want one of Spider. Because I wine and cobweb. Step on him. Chop off him 6 legs. Just that. Herbalize it, the champion, so I want to them. I'm fooling, I'm punks. They must be junk. Herbalize it hard enough. Super socket feel, say them mad, but them not bad enough. Fire back, what is in your blood clot, salt and them and a chat off.
We play back over, watch it out. Let's go, and you gotta be real hard. Real hard. All the people who must be Parliament, one on the other. Everybody members Parliament, one on the other. All the shutters there, watch it out. Watch it.
We fight it. Alright, tell them. Them better pay me everybody where you approach ya. Herbalize and I go crush ya.
Your engineer, turn on my mic.
Dinner for the vulture. So make sure
This is a 20-minute round. Right about now, I'm gonna beat out some fucking truth. This is fucking Bounty kill the baby, someone in your blood clot.
Alright then, Herbalize it, giving you originality. Give you respect and love them quality. Give something up in your attention to impurity.
Where the baby shop for them? Where are they?
bring on big up the nationality. But we're not bound for vanity. See the pussy, them all come with an obesity. Crush away, when all them.
Pull up. Spider tonight is gonna be wicked, trust me. I'm prepared, motherfucker. I'm really prepared for this. We are not big up all the unbiased massive in the building. Although you rate Supersonic, you're still unbiased. Thumbs up. I rate it. Listen to one.
So no,
Everybody, go so.
the gunshot in the air.
Go so, everybody.
Herbalize it.
Everybody, go so.
Automatic and bust it. Hear you some sound low, but I'm not man for way, boy. Violate so them rise the shot in. Everyone that guns some fish shot down for sale. Put sound in the cemetery. Now boy can't run with the one that could have play with them captain. Sound over there, so them love for Matty. Rise the man to kill a boy face and clap it. Herbalize it.
Never. People, you know what Spider do in free time? What do Spider do in his free time? You know what Spider do? Spider play Bloods and Crips. You don't know the Bloods and the Crips? Gangster? People, you think I'm lying? This is not no Photoshop. Watch it now.
Everywhere. Herbalize.
Look for Spider, look for them.
Push up your hands in the air. Everybody come on. You say don't have no fear. Herbalize and I'm not talking about bus. Bus man. Let some of them away from the bus.
Always and forever.
Always Shabba, give me 2 thumbs up.
Them treasure.
Real hot, good English.
Run top them. So I'm not going to get here. Herbalize it, you can't even say how I feel. Herbalize it, it's a play. Get us on the fun rock, give me music that you want. Get us on the fun rock, Herbalize it, we're New York, and get us on the fun rock, that's why people are feeling.
You know how many songs trying to test me? People respect the Herbalize sound. You know how many songs trying to test me? Why you listen up?
Made a try but could not test Herbalize it sound. No. Made a try Herbalize it, just knock them down. Yeah. Some
People, this is Soundclash, right? Can I play a big tune? This is gonna sit down the last. I don't want to get rushed to the Freddie McGregor. Super dog, big up yourself.
Oh Lord, I know my enemies. It's the media someone's out the street. I have had my share of baby so
Let me play this big tune. Let's watch the Freddie McGregor.
there's a lot of bad-minded sound boys trying to knock him off his feet.
Be there for the mission, massive.
Oh, hard got to be.
Be there for the mission.
We'll get victory. But try to give him victory. When him kicking a sound boy team.
I don't want to hear Freddie.
Victory.
You see how many songs trying to stop me?
Herbalize it great. Try to give him victory.
Listen.
He did somewhere we'll have to retreat. Sweet victory.
I don't read Freddie McGregor too hard.
Big Freddie McGregor go and go do it.
Race always on the judgment day. Someone get judgment when we are there.
You've been about me. I told you before, Sentinel or Supersonic.
Herbalize it, no instance, everybody there. Try to run the peace and rock this in. When Herbalize it, that's it, what you get up, get to your head.
When I say bounty, who do say killer? Bounty! Killer! Bounty! Killer! What's it up here now?
Come listen. All type of things like preaching.
Alright, Carlito. We dip on the road every blood clot weekend. You're right. Herbalizing is a party song. But herbalizing is clashing since 10 years or 15 years almost. We killing songs and at the same time we could make the people enjoy on a party too. Not every song can do that. Supersonic needs clashes. Because if they don't clash, they don't get no dates. It's no business for me. I get my dates every blood clot weekend.
Herbalize the Taurus Friday.
We don't show up man there. All you show up. Spider in that business, what you gonna do? Jump like a monkey on stage. Guess what? As I told you, tonight the subject is loyalty over royalty. We're gonna play some European artists that stay loyal to Herbalize. Listen to one. Message from Million Star Spider. Supersonic, guess what? I don't wanna see Supersonic dead to one and the other.
we go kill him. If they most up, they come make we kill him. And the right type of attack, we make we kill him.
Alright, you see tonight is loyalty over royalty. Right about now, make me boss the wickedest artist when it comes to customized shoes. And everybody know that's my artist. Me was the first sound of Boss Tarantula, I mean alive. Boys and down. Listen to the first one, last tune. Listen.
Not a inch.
Listen.
Yeah, sir.
I want everybody to listen.
My spider. Yeah. Sorry about that.
I want everybody to listen.
Yo. That one your name kill Sonic. Have some gunshot with your name right on it. All I tell people you're the #1 sound of Europe. Well tonight you have a blood clot top it. Play number 2, the number 2 Deutschland sound. Kind of Germany a sentinel with the crowd. I even the city of Berlin. Spider a play number 2. Capans are the boss. In Billy sound then hire you. And the next 2 number 2 are the 2 new Matty boy will just join your crew. All of it and raps them to turn in a hipster. Fucking idiot, all the blood clot kick ya. Well if you wanna sound name sound vibration for work for your Matty boy corporation. I'm gonna need somebody to change your kitty litter. Here is something in a Berlin, your first in Panzer, the first 45-year-old virgin. And tell the boy Spider, we start push things in 9 nose. And take some mind up, get money and buy clothes. Then on a shirt or pants. It's only yard where you love, where yard where your sponsor. Nothing gonna no stand for when them ask what the king of Europe. Herbalize it to the answer.
What about you, Nelson? Spider called me like every fucking day. You know what you cut? We can't believe you cut that. Oh boy, so you cut that against me. Pussy, well, why you minding my business so? Spider, why you minding my business? You're drinking Hennessy. Listen to one.
Here we come to kill a sound, you know. Hey, Supersonic. Bumble club gunshot make the blood club van. What do you say? This one goes out to Batman and Spider. Watch me the living not you know this and then for tapping one. And he's got something that is so much a man cologne. Well, if a slap is out the road, take him over. Cause them want to pussy when him son when he's home. So him recruit to Batty boy for this house so he can stay home and suck his woman out. Big Supersonic out of we yard.
A round of applause.